Hi guys, in this slide I'm going to discuss about exits and not exits in a correlated subquery. And here I'm using Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So about the exits operator, so it tests for existence of rows in the result state of the subquery. So exits and not exits only return true and false in the subquery. So when that row value match, so it returns true, or if row value doesn't match, so it returns nothing. So first I'm going to discuss about exits operator. So let's execute this query. So at here this is the inner query. So in inner query this is the value. So when that found any single values, so that means so this is the true. And when that not, so when that not found anything at here, so this will be a false. So if you execute this query, so this will return output according to the given query. Now hereafter, next is hereafter I'm going to make this one is 15,000 and 1 lakh. Now if you execute this, so at here, so it returns nothing. So this means if you execute here, so this value is now false. So when you execute this all, so it will return no any values, no any record. So this is about exits and not exits. So and here let's use not exits. So it return, so this value is not exits, so I have like here. So that it return and here some values. So it not exits is just opposite to exits operator. Now hereafter let's use exits and not exits in correlated subquery. So how do we know the query is a subquery? So if you execute this inner query, and inner query depend upon the outer query. So at here I'm getting the error message. So even dot department and even dot salary. So this inner query that depend the values of even. So even is the alias of HR.employees table. So this inner query depend upon the outer query. So that we can say this is the correlated subquery. So one at here. So how do we know? So see at here this query. So if you execute this query, so you cannot find any error. And here after let's execute this query. So this query you cannot find any error. So that means this query is a no none correlated subquery. Now here after, so that means if you find any error inside inner query, so this is the that add here, and add here getting the error message. So it add here identifier even department ID, and here could not found. So this inner query it's depend upon the even values. So that it's getting the error. So it depend upon the outer query, so that we can say this the add here. This is the correlated subquery. Now if you execute this query, so see out here it's displaying salary greater than average salary. So this is the example of salary greater than average salary here. Now in place of this you can use exits operator also to find salary greater than average salary. So you have to add here only exit operator, and exit operator comes with where clause. So it's come with where clause at here. And you have to let's see. So at here the first important point is HR.employees. So even is the alias of HR.employees table, and here E2 is the alias of HR.employees table. Okay, and here on I calculated average salary, and here even dot department ID equal to E2 dot department ID, and here I'm making the group by here. So group by add your department ID. So you're 100 in one group, sorry, 20 in one group, 30 in one group, 50 one group. So department wide it's calculate or salary greater than average salary. So add here even dot salary. So even it's the alias of employees table. So it will check even dot salary. So this is add here and your average salary. So whatever the average salary. So if you calculate this average salary, so at here let's execute this. So this will give the average salary of all the values. So all the salary columns. Now if you give add here group by, so add here group by average salary, or select it from here and after group by department ID. Now if you execute this query, so let's see what happened. So it's displaying department wise average salary. So at here 10, 20, 30 like this way it's displaying department wise average salary here. Now you can add here department underscore ID. Now here after let's execute this part. So see at here department wise it's calculating average salary. Now here after let's copy this part and paste it down. So here this is not required right now, and here group by average salary, no, this is not required. Now here after if you execute this query, so it display salary greater than average salary. So if you execute this two query, so let's see what happens. Now compare. So first is null. So null salary greater than average salary. 24,000 is the greater than 7,000. It's true. Add here for null. Now here after for sorry, null is not here. So you can find, okay, so let's check at here for 90. Okay, let's check 90. So 90, so add here in this point 24,000, add here 24,000, add here greater than and here the salary 90 is 19,000. So 24,000 is the greater than 19.33. So that here it will display 24,000 of department add here. So if you give add calculate, so see add here in department 90, so 20 the average salary if you calculate this. So if you calculate the average salary of 90 department ID 90, so that here the value comes 19,333. So 24,000 is the only greater. So that if you execute this query, so this will display 90 only 24,000 this row. So this is the thing by using exit statement. So we can calculate a salary greater than average salary. So this is the point here. If this return true, so that means at here, or if this return true, so that will return some values. So if this return false, so if there is no any values here, so that means, so this is the false. So it no any rows that display hereafter. And hereafter let's just check the performance. So at here I'm using, let's make it smaller. So at here I'm using exit at statement to calculate salary greater than average salary, and here without exit statement. So at here I select the query hereafter or display estimate execution plan. So see at here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are so many things here: lazy spool, string aggregator. Now hereafter let's use exit statement. So see at here exit statement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you calculate as salary greater than average salary, so you should use exit statement, because at here their numbers of steps are less, and if you execute this query their numbers of steps are higher, so more. Here this is the process, at here this is the process. There are so many process here by using without using. So at here by using salary greater than operator, so exit statement, so it will give you only less number of steps. So there are few steps out here. So this is the use of exit statement in correlated subquery. So I hope that this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.